I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can delete all of your Facebook posts at once. So from Facebook web here, you want to go to your profile section here and you want to click on the gear icon here. On the gear icon, you want to go to activity log. On activity log, just refresh it real quick just so you make sure everything is loaded. Now on your Facebook activity, click on this. Now on your Facebook activity, go to posts. Go to posts and then you want to go to your posts and videos. Now you can see on the post here, you can see we already have a post that is listed everything here. Now you want to go to your post photos and videos. Now you want to click on this button to select it all. And you want to click on the trash icon to delete it all. Click on this and then that's it. All of your posts are gonna be deleted, but you can see it may take some time to process all of your changes. So just be patient and wait for all of it to finish. After a while, after like 3-4 minutes, you can come back to this page, refresh, and to make sure that all of your posts are deleted and is clean. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.